Today, one of you did buy a lot of carrots, but really a lot of carrots. I don't know how I ever thank you. Reintje. Hallo? Ja, Bella tries. And it's gone. Well, I think the horses are very, very, very happy with the carrots and with the apples. Thank you. You did buy me a carrot. And all the other people. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I like them. Bye.